Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. These two revisions arise out of the order of the Andhra Sales Tax Appellate Tribunal in respect of assessments made by the Deputy Commercial Tax Officer on the petitioner for the 2 years stop. The sales tax authorities, having held that the return of the turnover was not true, estimated the turnover and assessed him on a total turnover of rupees 12 lakh and rupees 10 lakh stop. The orders of the commercial tax officers were confirmed by the tribunal stop. The order of the tribunal discloses that the assessee only argued before them two questions, that they were petty dealers and that the writing found in the books and letters found in their business place were also those of an insane son of the dealer, and that they should not be relied upon. Stop. The arguments were rejected and the appeals were dismissed. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the assessee argued that before the tribunal, on behalf of the assessee, it was contended that the district magistrate on his file held that the books on the basis of which the assessment was made did not belong to the assessee, and that finding was binding on the tribunal, but that the tribunal omitted to consider that point. Stop. The tribunal disposed of the appeal on the 31st October 1955. Stop. The district magistrate delivered the judgment on 15th June 1955. Stop. In the memorandum of grounds filed in this court, the petitioner alleged that this point had been taken before the tribunal, but the tribunal did not give its decision thereon. Stop. The government pleader, though he says that the record does not disclose any such point was made or the said judgment was filed, is not in a position to assert that this point was not in fact raised before the tribunal at the time of arguments. Stop. In the circumstances, we think that in the interests of justice, it is necessary that the tribunal should be asked to submit findings on the following 2 points: para. First, whether as a matter of fact the petitioner placed before the tribunal the judgment of the criminal court and argued on the basis of it, para. Second, whether the finding of the district magistrate is binding on the tribunal, and if so, what is the effect of that finding on the assessment. Stop. Para. The tribunal is directed to submit the finding within 1 month from the receipt of the records. Stop. 1 week thereafter for objections. Stop. Para. In pursuance of the above order, the Andhra Sales Tax Appellate Tribunal, Hyderabad, submitted the findings that the appellant had not filed a certified copy of the judgment of the criminal court before the tribunal. Stop. He sent a private copy of the judgment of the district magistrate by post. Stop. In the memo which was sent along with the private copy of the judgment, and the appellant has not served a copy of this judgment on the state representative nor filed a petition to admit the judgment in evidence at the time of hearing of the appeal. Stop. In the circumstances, it cannot be said that he has formally brought the judgment to the notice of the tribunal and addressed arguments regarding its effect on the assessment proceedings. Stop. Para. The deputy commercial tax officer, having found 2 bill books, 2 bound notebooks, 1 pocket size notebook, 4 purchase bills, and a letterhead pad containing some entries of sales on a surprise inspection of the appellant's business premises, assessed the appellant on the best judgment basis for 2 consecutive years. Stop. The appellant preferred appeals to the commercial tax officer, urging that writings in the books and letters found in the business premises were those of the appellant's insane son and cannot therefore be relied upon. Stop.